All right, what's up? I'm about to head out, and it's actually kind of warm outside. It's like 63 degrees. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make an iced latte. And as far as what flavoring I'm gonna use, we'll do an iced white mocha. How about that? We'll use this cup. I was looking around. I don't really have a cup that's good for iced drinks, but as far as like a good ice, well, I got a cup I could use for iced drinks. It's just that I don't have a to-go, like a car-friendly cup for iced drinks. Like the only one I have is like an aluminum one. It has like a handle on it, so I can't put it in the cup holder. So this is gonna have to do. We'll use this. We'll make sure we're using a double basket too. So let me just get it set up real quick. All right, double. We'll measure out 17 grams. I could explain everything I'm going to do at the same time, but then I just like jumble up my words, and then no one knows what I'm talking about. I'm going to pour into this cup. So now I got 2 pumps of white chocolate syrup in here. Go ahead and level it out, tamp it down. I like to do all that before I like really tamp down, just so I can make sure I don't get any grounds on the edges, because you got to remove all grounds from the edges before you put it up in there. Pull that shot. Then I'm gonna get my ice. And for ice drinks, I like to use half and half only. I don't like to mix the half and half in the milk. Unless I'm making like a huge glass, but then I kind of need more espresso. All right, I got a good bit of ice in there. I'm gonna remove just a couple. We got our espresso, mix it up a bit. Looks really good. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah. And just in quick succession. You know what I could do? I could sweeten this up just a little bit more. Let's see, get my raw sugar out. In a mixing spoon. No real measurement, I'm just gonna pour a bit in there. That should be good. You'd be surprised how much sweeter the overall drink will be, in like ice drinks especially, if you just sweeten up the espresso. Like you don't have to add sweetener in like after you're putting everything in the cup. Because theoretically, I mean, like half the drink is this bit in here anyway. For our espresso, for our half and half. And if this was glass, it would look amazing, but I don't have one of those yet. I need to buy one that can that I could use while I'm on the road. But there you have it. That is your iced latte. And seeing we don't have glass, we're just gonna mix it up. Cool. It looks good. And I'm out. Thanks for watching.